So in this video, we're going to look at a little bit of floor work, modern floor work, my style modern floor work. First of all, I hope that you're all safe and happy in these times and staying focused and positive and still moving your bodies, right? And in the meantime, let's crack on. So if you please warm up first, then come back and see me and then take it from there. So I've got lots of videos on YouTube for you to choose from to warm up with. So first of all, if you don't know what the ummy is, go and check out my videos. I've got so many videos on YouTube talking about the ummies in the circle series and also on my Insta TV channel, on my Instagram, BellyDance. Get the ummies going first. Alright, get the circles going, get your thighs going forward and back. And get the circle round and round and round and round and round. Now keep your chest lifted and bring the arms out to the side. Okay, so in this time, I also have a lot of live streaming as well as actual online courses. So all of my classes that I teach in the studio are actually available online, so you can still watch complete hour videos that run as courses, so you still progress every single class with me. So it's not like this, it's not like one-off tutorials or YouTube one-off tutorials. It's actually a course where you get to progress and you have unlimited access to it for the whole of the duration of your subscription. And there are many, many classes to choose from. So you can really still learn from home regardless. I also have the live streaming and the online classes and private lessons which are available online as well. So you can train with me from anywhere in the world. In the meantime, we've done a few ummies. Let's reverse the circle direction and let the legs scissor backwards and forwards. Special thank you to Tribal from a Trap for the music as well. If you're a dancer or a teacher and you want to use the music is made for dancing teachers in mind, so you can use it for any of your videos. It won't be blocked. Tribal from the Trap. Get the ummies going. Okay, so 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now the real fun begins. So, if you're brand new to floor work, you might find these positions a little bit awkward. So first of all, we can start, everyone's body is different, so you could start with your feet like this, and then you need to raise your hips off the floor a little bit. Make sure your body is in a diagonal line, and you're not really high up. This is not going to work. So, I take my bottom off the floor, maybe what's that, about 3 inches or so, and you start to do your circles. Try to do the ummy in this position. Keep your neck long, try to slouch. Keep the space between your neck and your shoulders, and circle those hips. Now, preferably, just a preference of mine for aesthetic reasons, split the legs. Okay, circle. Find your favourite way to circle the hips. And then option 2, you come onto tiptoe. I prefer it on tiptoe, I think it looks nicer. Raise the heels as high as you can, and then get the circles going. So this is the start of my floor work series. I'm going to be sharing some floor work tips with you, some floor work moves, and modern style, my style, BellyDance style floor work that I will share with you. It's one of my favourite ones to do. So 8, 7, 6, 5, breathe, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sit, release, a little stretch. Stretch your legs if you, or bend the knees a little bit if you want to. Anywhere along the legs will do. You just stretch it for 4, 3, 2, and then we're going to try the ummy in the other direction. Okay, so as I said before, there's lots of videos on my YouTube, and there's a circle series on YouTube that covers the ummy. If you do my classes online, you'll learn properly, like significantly more than learning on YouTube. Okay, so feet, stagger the feet, drop the hips slightly, keep the chest lifted, now do the ummy the other direction. One way is going to feel significantly easier than the other. So circle those hips. If it's easier for you, you can put your heels on the floor. Okay, so play around with what works best for your body, or you can come onto tiptoe. Play around, you might prefer your hips to be a little bit higher. I prefer my hips to be a little bit lower, so I can get better shape and better control of the hips. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you want to do it again, just rewind and do it again. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my website, melissabellydance.com. And remember, you can do online classes with me, you can stream with me live, or you can do private lessons with me in this crazy time if you want to keep dancing. I'm more than happy to teach you. So thank you very much. Bye bye.